have a 33 in sequence, a 31 in precision, 28 in technical reasoning, and 23 in confluence.
Which ones do you think you use first that just you automatically go to?
Precision and sequence.
Okay. So you started your answer by using what's called the stem of the question,
Yeah.
right? And that's a part of your sequence, right? And then you followed it up with information, right?
Which is like precision.
Right. So I used my confluence first. Okay. So I did what I thought things that were inferred. They weren't necessarily facts from the story.
So like,
All right.
like bits of like information.
Right. So I said, well, I thought it was inferred that maybe her birthday was close. Right. I thought that well, the kitten was available. I mean, it was right there. And then finally, that it was pretty clear that she could convince her parents. So,
Yeah.
so mine.
Like I like sticking to the facts a lot. I don't like. Sometimes I will like use like sometimes I like I don't know, but sometimes my confluence I actually can use a lot. It's just that I don't like taking risks. I like using the imagination, but I don't like taking risks. And also when I draw, I don't like I use detail when I draw. I don't just draw like whatever comes to my head first. I just draw I just think I just mull it over, and then sometimes when I draw I also connect to other things.
So you're using both your sequence and your precision in your drawing.
Yeah, but at the same time, it's like sometimes when I draw, it's just like sometimes I just like redraw it until I get it right.
Ah, so your sequence has you practice until you get it almost perfect with your precision.
And I like to use step-by-step directions and have clear directions.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome.